There has been a few strange encounters involving that painting. During one of the regular business days, staff would go through the houses and make sure that everything was in place before they locked the houses for the day.
I happened to go into the room where the Maria Tubau used to hang. It was fine. It was on the wall, as it should have been, at the end of the day. The next morning, it was my turn to walk around and make sure the lights are on and the TVs are on. And it turns out that Maria Tubau had fallen that night.
I was on the estate early morning, and one of our team members came up and said, "Jennifer, the Maria Tubau painting is off the wall sitting on the floor and has damage."
The bizarre thing was that even though the frame around the painting was damaged and the edges of it was cracked, the wires and the hooks stayed intact.
This painting weighs about 90 pounds. It's hooked with 2 very strong D-rings to the sides of the frame on wire that goes up on 2 large titanium S-hooks that sit into a concrete ledge. There's a lot of questions like, wow, why did it fall this way and not on its face? Why is it leaning so perfectly up against the wall? Did we have an earthquake in Miami? Who was here last night? Did someone try and take it? But there was no one on the estate because it was after hours.
Maybe the ghosts weren't happy. We don't know if it was Marion's ghost that wasn't happy and just didn't want the Maria Tubau in that room with her, or if it was Maria Tubau who did not like that pink room at the time and decided to go somewhere else.
We determined that we were going to listen to the ghosts and we were going to move the painting out of Mrs. Deering's receiving room and into another area. And believe it or not, with the same hooks, the same hardware, on the same railing system, it has stayed intact for 5 years.
So now she hangs very proudly in the front room.
No more incidents.
No more incidents. So I leave it to you to decide, did something happen or did something happen?